Good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2020 Chemistry Pass Question 42. The efficiency of petrol as a fuel in high compression internal combustion engines improves with an increase in the amount of A. Branch chain alkanes, B. Straight chain alkanes, C. Cycloalkanes, and D. Halogenated hydrocarbon. Now, there is what we call octane number of petrol. Now, octane number of petrol is used to determine the efficiency of petrol. Petrol with low octane number has a low efficiency. Now, looking at this, the efficiency of petrol as a fuel in high compression internal combustion engine improves with an increase in branch chain hydrocarbon. For example, the 2,2,3-trimethyl pentane is a is a branch chain hydrocarbon which has contributed immensely to improve the efficiency of petrol, and it has what anti-knocking properties. It gives petrol the anti-knocking properties because of the increased efficiency of petrol. Now, looking at this 2,2,3-trimethyl pentane is a branch chain alkane. So the efficiency of petrol actually increases, or the octane number of petrol increases when this increase in number of branch chain alkanes, and that is option A. So option A is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and ensure subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.